Sweet. It didn't take but a minute and a half, maybe even barely even 2 minutes to get the bubbles to start working. The top of the tower is busted off and broken. I'll do something and fix that here eventually. Put some sort of red little cap cone on there. Maybe even install a little blinking light fixture in there. But for just soldering a couple wires and an impromptu quick fix, this thing's awesome. I'm going to drill some holes in the layout, wash and clean the tower off, and this thing will be cool. It lives way over there by the coal elevator. All right, woohoo!